Okay, for those of you who didn't know, January is Birdhouse month. So the workshops in the Allentown and the Harrisburg woodcraft stores is going to be build a simple birdhouse. We're not going to use the shack birdhouse. That was the photo that we had when we created the artwork for the store, but it's going to be a simple birdhouse. We'll be cutting pieces on the table saw and using the drill press and using a pneumatic pinner nailer. This is the basic layout of the birdhouse, the four boards, and then you can see the cut lines are going to be simple 45-degree cuts and a couple of straight cuts, and this is a picture of the birdhouse that we'll actually end up with. These are we'll end up giving you four boards to start out with. These boards will be pine or poplar, just simple wood. We'll go to the table saw and we'll make these 45-degree cuts, and then we'll make actually four straight cuts, which will just end up being the construction pieces. The construction pieces will look simply like this. It'll be a top, sides, back, front, and a bottom. We'll go to the drill press and we'll cut a Forstner bit hole, in the center of it. It's going to be called a birdie hole, and it's a 1.5 inch, somewhere around there, size diameter, and then we'll put a little hole beneath that for the perch. These are the pieces you end up with after cut and ready for construction. We'll scribe a line and we'll show you how to do this, just an approximate, just something that you can see where you can put the pins in so you get it accurately put together. We use a glue. In this case we can't use the quick drying glue. We need to use something that is waterproofed, certainly water resistant, because it's going to be an outdoor project. This is what the birdhouse looks like. You can see the pinner holes here. In this case I use brad nails, and I just try to follow the scribe line here just to pin it enough so the glue will set up. You can also see the scribe lines here. It'll be a simple construction. On the bottom of it we actually put some wood screws so you can take the bottom of this off for future cleaning. And this is what it looks like. This is what it should look like when you're finished with it. So come to the woodcraft store. It's a free workshop. In Allentown it's going to be Friday and Saturday, January 17th, January 16th and 17th. In Harrisburg it's going to be Friday and Saturday, January 23rd and 24th. Make sure you call the store and get signed up. Build your own birdhouse. Bring a friend, a neighbor, your son, grandson, granddaughter, friend. Bring somebody that also wants to build a birdhouse and learn how to use some woodworking tools. Should be a good experience. Something you can make, something that's made in America. As simple as it seems, we need to make stuff in America.